Hello students, I welcome you all in my class. Today I am taking question number 17 of miscellaneous exercise, chapter number 4, determinant. The question says that if A, B, C are in AP, here A, B, C are in AP, it means 2B is equal to A plus C. 2B is equal to what? 2B is equal to A plus C. Then the determinant x plus 2, the value of this determinant is equal to what? The value of this determinant is equal to what? Here I am going to find the value of this determinant by using if A, B, C are in AP. Here I am using this property. R2 tends to 2 times R2 minus R1 minus R3. Why we are using this property, this type of property 2 times R2 minus R1 minus R3? Because here you observe that you can see that 2 times of 3, 2 times of 3, x plus 3, x plus 4 and x plus 2b are the element of second row. If you will multiply by the second row by 2, you will get 6, 2x plus 6, and the sum of 2 and 4 will be equal to also equal to 6. So I am using R2 is equal to R2 tends to 2R2 minus R1 minus R3. So after using this property, the value of the first row, here R2 is now going to change. R1 and R3 we will write as usual. Which row will going to change? The second row are going to change. The element of the second row are going to change. It means x plus 2 first row, element of first row, and third row we are going to write as usual. X plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 2c. Now I am going to write the elements of second row. Element of second row. By using this property, 2 times R2. 2 times R2 means the first element of this R2 is x plus 3, 2 times of this 2x plus 6, 2x plus 6 minus this minus x minus 2. So we will get what? X plus 4. We will get x plus 4. Now I am going to subtract minus R3. If you will subtract this minus x minus 4, you will get what? You will get 0. It means the element of this place will be 0. Similarly, we can use for the second element 2 times of this. 2 times of this minus R1 minus R3. 2 times of this 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8 minus x minus 3 minus x minus 5 minus x minus 5 is equal to what? Minus 3 minus 5 minus 8 plus 8 0. 2x minus 2x, it is also 0. Now the second element of the second row will also 0. Now I am going to write the value of this element. 2 times of this. 2 times of this means 2x plus 4b minus x minus 2a minus x minus 2c. 2x minus 2x it will be 0. 4b minus 2a minus 2c. Now minus 2c. Now the element of this place will be 4b minus 2a minus 2c. X plus 2, 0, x plus 4, x plus 3, 0, x plus 5, x plus 2a, x plus 2c. Children, you know that if ABC are in AP, here ABC are in AP, if ABC are in AP means B minus A is equal to C minus B. It means 2B is equal to A plus C. R2b minus A minus C is equal to what? 0. The value of 2b minus A minus C is equal to 0. Here I am using this result in place of this one. If you will take 2 as a common factors, you will get what? 2b minus A minus C. 2b minus A minus C. Here 2b, the value of 2b minus A minus C is equal to 0. It means 2 times of 0 is equal to 0. X plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 2a, and 0, 0, 2 times of 0, and the last element of the third row, x plus 5, x plus 2c. Here, the all element of second row is here what? All the element of second row are 0, 0 and 0. It means the value of this determinant will be equal to 0. Will be equal to 0. It means the value of this determinant will be equal to 0 if A, B and C are in AP. The value of this determinant will be equal to 0. So, I hope you are understanding this question. Okay, thank you children.